How to turn $5 a day into $1 million step by step. What if I told you that just $5 a day, less than a cup of coffee, could make you a millionaire? It sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, with the right mindset, a bit of discipline, and the power of compounding interest, it's not only possible, it's actually been done by thousands of people. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to turn $5 a day into $1 million, step by step. No tricks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real numbers, smart investing, and patience. Let's dive in. The mindset shift. Before we even talk about money, we need to talk about mindset. Most people think getting rich requires huge income, a business idea, or winning the lottery. But that's a myth. The truth is, wealth is built over time, not overnight. Here's the first mindset shift. You don't need more money. You need more consistency. Let's say you spend $5 a day on coffee, fast food, streaming services you barely use, random stuff on Amazon. Cutting out those $5 expenses won't make you rich tomorrow, but redirecting that money absolutely can. And the best part, you don't have to save your whole paycheck. You just need $5 a day. Let's talk about how. The power of compound interest. Now let's introduce the hero of our story. Compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $5 per day, or about $150 per month, and you put it into a broad stock market index fund, something like the S&P 500, which historically has returned about 8 to 10% annually. We'll use 10% for simple math. So, year 1, you invest $1,825. Year 2, that grows, not just from what you add, but from interest. Year 3, it grows even more, interest on the interest, and so on. Here's the magic. If you invest $5 per day for 40 years at 10% return, guess what you'll have? Over $1.1 million, all from $5 a day. That's less than most people spend on snacks. The step-by-step plan. Let's break this down into clear, actionable steps. Here's your $1 million plan. Step 1. Automate the $5/day. Set up an automatic transfer of $150/month or $35/week if that's easier. Use apps like Acorns, Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. The key is, make it automatic so you don't even think about it. Step 2. Choose the right investment. You don't need to be a stock expert. Invest in low-cost index funds like Vanguard's VOO or VTI, or ETFs like SPY or SHD. These funds track the whole stock market or the top 500 companies. Historically, they return 7 to 10% per year over the long run. Step 3. Reinvest the dividends. Most of these funds pay you dividends, little cash payouts. Don't take that money out. Reinvest it. It adds fuel to the compound interest engine. Step 4. Leave it alone. This is where people mess up. They get tempted to cash out early, but your real wealth builds in the last 10 to 15 years. Here's the breakdown. After 10 years, till the $30,000. After 20 years, till the $100,000. After 30 years, till the $340,000. After 40 years, $1.1 million. If you cash out early, you lose the momentum. Step 5. Increase your contribution over time. Once $5/day feels easy, raise it. Go to $7, then $10, then $15. Every dollar extra compounds into thousands down the line. For example, $10/day equal $2.2 million in 40 years. $15/day equal $3.3 million. Small changes, big results. What if you're starting late? You might be thinking, okay, but I'm 35, 45, or even 50. I don't have 40 years. Let's address that. If you're 30, you still have 30 plus years. $5/day becomes about $340,000 in 30 years. Add a little more, boom, you're near $1 million. If you're 40, you've got 20 plus years. Increase your daily amount to $10 or $15. Invest tax-free through IRAs or 401ks. It's still totally doable. If you're 50, you've got 15 to 20 years. It's not too late, but focus more aggressively. $20/day could become $300 minus 400K. And you can supplement that with other strategies we'll discuss in a future video. Part 5. Advanced tips to speed it up. Want to hit $1 million faster than 40 years? Try these strategies. Tip 1. Use a Roth IRA. Tax-free growth. If you qualify, invest your $5/day into a Roth IRA. All withdrawals in retirement are 100% tax-free. Tip 2. Increase income, not just savings. Look for side hustles. Freelancing, selling products online, delivery driving, digital products. Use that extra income to raise your daily investment from $5 to $10 or $20. Invest in higher growth opportunities, higher risk. Individual stocks, crypto, or startups can offer higher returns. But risk of losing money is much greater. Side hustles and passive income. Use $5/day as seed money to start a blog or YouTube channel. Buy/resell items. Invest in a vending machine, ATM, or digital product. Strategy 2. Use $5/day to launch a microbusiness. You can flip $150/month into high returns by starting small, low-risk side hustles. Real $5/day micro investment ideas. Buy and flip. Start with one item from a thrift store each week. Resell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Print on demand. Use $5 to run Facebook or Etsy ads for design shirts, mugs, etc. Freelance stack. Use $5 to build a profile. Fiverr, Upwork, then scale. Digital products. Sell Notion templates, ebooks, or mini courses. If you use $5/day to build a business earning $500/month, reinvest it, and scale, your path to $1 million could shrink to 10 to 15 years or even less. Strategy 3. Create passive income machines. $5 a day can be the seeds for income streams. How to use it. Strategy 4. Level up your income and stack more cash. Your biggest financial multiplier isn't investing, it's increasing your income. Use $5/day to buy one course/month skill stacking. Subscribe to learning platforms Skillshare, Coursera, Udemy. Improve a side hustle tools, marketing, automation. Even modest growth in skills can translate to a better job. $10K/year more equal 20 years off your path. Freelance income, business ownership. Strategy 5. Layer multiple streams most powerful. Here's a millionaire blueprint using $5/day as your engine. 1. $5/day invested in S&P 500 or ETFs equal $1 million in 40 years. 2. Side hustle using $5/day equal extra $200, $500/month. 3. Reinvest side hustle profits into stocks or business growth. 4. Grow your income and bump up investing to $10, $20, $50/day. 5. Stack stock portfolio plus small business plus passive income equal millionaire in 10 to 20 years. Low risk investments. This is for you if you want safety. High yield savings accounts or CDs. Bonds, government/municipal. Dividend paying ETFs. Right stable ones. Robo-advisors with conservative portfolios. Best for people near retirement, risk averse, or beginners. Downside. It's slow. $5/day here will take till the 45+ years. Medium risk, best balance for most people. S&P 500 ETFs VOO, SPY. Target date funds. Total market index funds VTI, stocks. Blue chip dividend stocks. Rights plus ETFs mix. Best for people with 20 to 40 years. Want growth without major volatility. Downside. Can still dip in bear markets, but recovers well over time. High risk, you want faster growth and can handle losses. Example opportunities. Growth stocks Tesla, Nvidia, AI plays, crypto Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, startup investing AngelList, equity crowdfunding, real estate flips via partnerships or platforms, leveraged ETFs short-term only. Best for young investors, entrepreneurs, or those willing to risk money to make money faster. Downside, you can lose money. Requires patience and emotional control. Consistency, it's very important. Why consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Here's what consistency does. Leverages compound interest money, grows on money. Builds habits you invest automatically. No overthinking. Reduces emotional investing, no panic during market dips. multiplies over time. Your small dollars become big. Real-world example of consistency payoff. Imagine you invest $5/day for 20 years and never miss. Total contributed, tilde $36,500 with 10% returns, tilde $115,000 with 15% returns, tilde $190,000. Now imagine you stop after 20 years but let it sit untouched. 20 more years compounding equal over $1 million. The first 20 years were all about consistency, not how much. Consistency hacks. Here are some ways to lock in consistency. 1. Automate everything. Auto transfer $150/month to investing account. Use apps like Acorns, Fidelity, Wealthfront, or M1 Finance. 2. Gamify your habit. Use a habit tracker app or streak counter. Reward yourself at milestones, for example, every $1,000 saved. 3. No 0 days rule. Even if you can't do $5, do something like $1 or 5 minutes of learning. Progress greater than perfection. Tip 3. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit card debt kills wealth. If you're paying 20% interest, you're losing faster than you're gaining. Pay that off before investing. Tip 4. Educate yourself. Books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. The more you learn, the better your decisions. The millionaire in you. Let's zoom out. $5 a day is $1,825 a year. Over 40 years, that's $73,000 invested, and you could turn that into over $1 million. You don't need a six-figure salary. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a plan, some discipline, and time. So the question is, are you willing to make small daily sacrifices today for massive freedom tomorrow? If the answer is yes, then your journey to becoming a millionaire starts right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, give it a like, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who needs financial clarity. I'll see you in the next one.